In my opinion, one of the ways of building your trading psychology is trade documentation. Why am I saying this? When you are someone who journals your trade, once in a while you get back on your trade, you do a reevaluation of what happened to you, why you took a particular trade, what you saw on the chart that made you to click either the buy or the sell button, why you made profit or why you took a loss. So it is very important to document your trade. I want to go back to my chart and say, okay, just because I took the trade from here, because I didn't get a confirmation and I took this trade, that was why I lost. Okay, I actually got the confirmation and I took the trade, I made profits, or maybe even with the confirmation, I lost. I go back and have a reappraisal. So that's one of the things that helps to build your trading psychology. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. How we are doing? Hope we are doing absolutely great. I trust you're maximizing the blues and minimizing the reds. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Smexy and on this channel I document my trades. If you're new, come on this channel, please do me a favor. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notifications so that whenever I upload content like this, you will be the first to get notified. Also, I'd like you to give this video a thumbs up. And please help me do something. Share this video with your friends. I want to push this channel to at least 1,000 subscribers in the next 3 to 5 months. Once I have been able to push this channel to at least 1,000 subscribers, I'll start having a free class every Saturday and Sundays, and it's really for absolute beginners or those who want to improve on their strategies. Please let's help each other grow. I have over the years traded or dabbled on several strategies, and now I have seen what works. And I'm holding by the jugular. I'm not letting it go. That being said, in my last video, I did a re-evaluation of the loss I took on US30. And today I am reevaluating also the profit I took on same US30. US30 is my guy. That guy is my guy. He represents and I like it. If you're taking a loss there, if you don't manage your risk well, body will tell you. And if you're taking a profit there, man, it's sweet. Okay, I came on the charts today. I discovered an opportunity and I decided to seize the opportunity. That was why I made profit. All right. It will look a bit contradictory to what I said in my last video about having a single bias. Yes, whenever you come on the chart, you're either buying or selling. You are not doing buying and selling. You are either buying or you are selling. So today I came and saw, though in my last video you can see I did an analysis and I gave an area where I think the price would come to and the market will keep buying. But today I came on the chart, I discovered that there was an opportunity. It is our duty as retail traders to spot opportunities on the chart and take advantage of it. So I spotted an opportunity. I decided to take advantage as soon as possible. So that's what I'm going to show us on my chart very shortly so that you learn from me, you learn from my mistakes if I make mistakes, and also if there are things you will learn from my profits also, you also learn from my profit. Without further ado, let's get on my chart. All right, everyone, and welcome to my chat. Okay, very shortly, I'm going to be explaining why I took a sell on US30 today, being the 12th of February 2026, even while the market is still in a bullish structure or still has a bullish structure. So I came on the chart today and I observed, I saw an opportunity. So I decided to take advantage of the opportunity. Though in my last video, I talked about not trading against the trend, which was the reason why I took a loss on the 10th. And today, it might still look as if I'm trading against the trend, which is quite true. But I actually traded with a confirmation. Okay, on the 10th, I traded not with proper confirmation. I only saw a breakout, which was my mistake, and I learned from it. I did my reevaluation, and today I came back on the chart and saw an opportunity. So, as retail traders, it is our responsibility to spot opportunities on the chart and take advantage of it. So, I came on the chart today. Okay, before I talk about why I or explain why I took the trade, if you watched my last video, you will discover that I've already done an analysis, though I used another broker. I used capital.com, while today I came on the chart. I decided to check on FXCM and discovered that FXCM has almost the same price movement with the broker that I'm using. And I decided to switch to FXCM. Let me show you what I did on, let me show you the charts on capital.com. So this is my chart on capital.com. In my last video, this is what you can see, though properly refined here, waiting for a buy, and a 1:3 reward risk ratio. But today, before I go further, I came and saw that there was an unfilled order, a sell order that was unfilled from a supply region. So I decided to take advantage of it. It's actually clear here. This movement was what I saw when I noticed this movement. You know how institutions work most times. So most times institutions will just leave a footprint. So if you don't know about institutional footprints, you will not understand what they intend to do. So I discovered the intention of the institutions to push this market down. That's to push it to a proper demand zone before they will buy. So they want to buy from a more discounted zone. So that's why they did this. So when I spotted this, I went back on, was it 30 minutes time frame also? Yeah. I went on the 30 minutes time frame and I decided to put a line. That was before this happened, before this market got to this point. I'd already spotted it. So I had to set limit order and wait. In my two accounts, I set a limit order. So what I did was I came here, sorry, I'm not expounding, and I saw the origin of this movement. So I decided to mark the origin. I boxed it like we normally do. And usually I take my trade from the middle. But today I just said I don't want to miss the trade in case it comes here and starts selling. So I decided to take the trade from the first point of the origin. That's why I placed the trade here at exactly. Okay, this is exactly, it's not exactly, this is 50,407 to 38. Then I did 50,408. So the market came in and filled my order and started descending. What I did on this chart was this. When I opened my chart, usually I told myself that what I'm going to be doing recently is once I set my trade, I close my chart and I walk away. You know, as traders now, at times you would have to go back and see if the market is actually playing in line with your analysis or they are dancing with your emotions. So I came to check if they were playing pranks on my emotions, and I saw a little profit, and my mind just said, close it. And I closed it and left. That's why I left the trade. And when I came back after a few hours, I came back and I saw that I had met my daily target. My daily target is usually 1:3, or from 1:2 to 1:4. So I'd already reached 1:4. I had to stop the trade. Yeah, it should still come to this TP, but I've taken my profit and left the market. I didn't want to trail. I just wanted to have my profit because I was in a drawdown. The loss I took recently added to my drawdown, but today I've been able to recover everything in full. I'm going to upload the screenshot here of the profit I took today, and you'll see. So this was the trade I took. Do not forget that I still have a buy bias. The market is still bullish. Okay, so I still hope that the market gets to this point, fill my order, then come take out this high. This high becomes my next target. This low, well, let me not talk about this low, but this low is a liquidity. This high will be taken out. That's what I am reacting to in this particular market. So this was the trade I took, and it's amazing. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please, I've done this analysis before. This is my proper remodification. So trades could be taken from, let me show this first. I could take trade from any of these levels. So I could still place an order here. Yes, I could still place an order here, because on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is where institutions have left a footprint. Then my stop loss will not be too much. Okay, so I want to do 1:2, because I'm targeting this high. 1:3 is okay for me. So I could take the trade from here, and I'm looking for 1:3. 1:3 RR is just what I will look for here. Then if the trade gets to this point, except it comes down and takes me out. But if it takes me out and doesn't take this out, means I have one taken out, while the second one will run. I'll still recover from it. Meanwhile, I'm still waiting for it to hit TP to confirm the trade, but I've taken my profits. If you come to the market, one of the things you should do, even before you start trading, have your daily targets. So I usually have my weekly targets, and I break down the weekly targets into daily targets so that I will not overcross, I will not be too greedy. I'm documenting my trades here because I'm trying to build myself. I am trying to check how I improve on myself in the trading journey, or in my trading journey. This is simply what I do on the chart. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification